Hi everybody, it's Chef Hamza from Indulgent. I'm in the kitchen today. I'm going to be showing you how we make our buttermilk fried chicken our way. We start off with good chicken breast fillets. They're 8-ounce fillets, 200 to 230 grams, and we butterfly them. So we cut them down the middle, and that makes sure when we bread it, when we put it into the fryer, we get a good, even, consistent cook throughout all of it. So we start off with good chicken breast fillets, and we bathe them in our spiced buttermilk for 24 to 48 hours. And that makes sure that the meat is nice and tender after it's cooked. And the spices, they just make sure the flavors penetrate the whole chicken breast fillet. The buttermilk recipe is pretty straightforward. 1 cup of buttermilk, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of cayenne. So we cover both sides, we make sure it's fully covered, and then we leave that there for 24 to 48 hours. So the buttermilk, it really helps tenderize that chicken. It makes sure it's nice, juicy chicken when you're taking a bite into it. So here at White's Gourmet Fried Chicken, we make our own breading. We've got the usual stuff. We've got sea salt, we've got black pepper, we've got garlic powder, we've got onion powder, we've got cayenne, and we've got a combination of herbs as well. So we've got our flour here. We're going to add our spices and herbs. There we are. We give that a good whisk, and that just brings everything together. You can also buy our ready mixed fried chicken coatings through our website. So now what we do, we bread our chicken, plonk that in. Now we do a 2-stage process. We bread it once the first time, and then we do it again just before frying. Push that breading in, and that gives it an extra lovely bit of crust on the chicken. Make sure every bit of that chicken is covered thoroughly. Really press it down as well. So we put the chicken into the fridge until it's ready for service. It's got to go in for at least about 30 minutes, and that just makes sure that the breading sticks to the chicken. It adheres to it beautifully. Okay, so we finish it with that now. I'm just going to take that away because here's one that I made earlier. Okay, we're ready to bread for the second time now. There we are. We make sure we bread it again just before we cook, just to thoroughly coat it. And really what that means is we get a nice crispy coating on the outside. And that will be perfectly for when we fry it up. So the fillet at the end of it should look like that. You have to cook the chicken at the perfect temperature. We do it at 160 degrees. Make sure the chicken gets cooked beautifully, it's crispy, and most importantly, it's not greasy. So we just finished cooking. We've got our fried chicken here, and we've got our toasted brioche bun. First thing you'll notice is the fried chicken fillet is quite a fair bit bigger than the brioche bun, and we do that on purpose. That's just the way we do it. It just makes sure you get a nice bite of chicken every time. We've got some of our fixings here: lettuce, gherkins, a slice of American cheese, our house-made buttermilk slaw, red onions and tomatoes. This is the best part, we get to make the burger. We've got everything here. First thing we like to do is put a little bit of glue on the bottom. I've got my blue cheese sauce. I put a nice bit of blue cheese sauce on the bottom. Then we'll do our red onions. Next up is our chicken. Our slice of American cheese. And then we do our gherkins. And when the cheese melts, it just holds the gherkins in place. So at this stage, we want to get some sauce on there as well. We've got a lovely Frank's hot sauce. Nice helping of that. Next up, buttermilk slaw. Wow, if only you could smell this at home. If Finally, the tomatoes, if there's any space. Last but not least, we've got the burger bun lid. And there we have it, our buttermilk fried chicken brioche burger. And this is the best part because I get to eat it now. Just have a look at how succulent that chicken is on the inside. I'm Chef Hamza, thanks for watching. Hit subscribe, use the link below to order. Enjoy.